Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am and all the worthy teachers and my dear friend, I wish you all a very wonderful morning to all of you.
Great morning, Jagriti.
Well, my name is Jagriti from the 7th Brilliant class in Sunrise Foundation School. Today, I am here for a speech on a very interesting topic, motion and time. So, let's start. Firstly, we will discuss about what is motion. Motion is the change in position of an object. For example, rectilinear motion, rotational motion, circular motion. Now, what is time? Time is the duration of event measured in second. Now, let us discuss the different type of motion. First is rectilinear motion, an object that moves in a straight path without changing direction. For example, a car moving on a straight road. Now, second is circular motion, an object that moves along on a circular path. For example, the hand of a clock. Now, third is rotational motion, an object that rotates on its fixed axis. For example, the sun rotates on its axis. Now, the last one is periodic motion, an object that repeat at a regular interval of time. For example, the motion of a planet around the sun. Now, we will discuss about the concept of speed. Speed is measured how fast an object over a given period. Formula of speed is distance divided by time. For example, if an object travels 100 meters in 10 seconds, then its unit is meter per second. The SI unit of speed is meter per second and the other unit is kilometer per hour. Now, let us discuss about periodic motion and non-periodic motion. Periodic motion repeat at a regular interval of time. For example, the motion of a planet around the sun. Now, non-periodic motion, the object that does not repeat at a regular interval of time. For example, a dog moves randomly. Now, let us discuss what the uniform motion. Uniform motion move at a constant speed is called uniform motion. Now, my last topic is why clock is essential in studying motion, because time is a crucial factor of calculating speed, velocity and acceleration. Now, so this is all from my side. Now, I want to ask some questions from you. So, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, now my first question is, what is time? Yes, Ravi.
Time is the duration of events.
Well done. Please clap for Ravi. Now my second question is, what is motion? Yes, Vanshika.
Motion is the change in position of an object.
Please clap for Vanshika. Now my last and third question is, how many types of motion? Yes, Kanishka.
There are 4 types of motion: rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, and periodic motion.
Well done. Please clap for Kanishka. So this is all from my side on motion and time. I hope you like. Thank you and have a wonderful day.